guys. I just wanted to send a little video message clarification. I know you guys, many of you are having trouble with uploading the videos. Either they were too large of a file, or there was some other issue. I'm not really sure, to be honest. I've never had that problem before. Maybe just too many of you. So if you upload it, great, and you can get it uploaded perfect. If not, the only other options we really have are to share it with me. You know, that's probably the best way to do it. I don't really prefer. The reason I don't prefer that is because they all go in my inbox and they get cluttered. So I would just say do that. And then keep an eye on your Access Center, and if you share something and it's in there as a missing, you think you did, just shoot me a message and we'll kind of go from there. That's the best I got right now. If you want to keep trying to submit through Canvas, please do. And yeah, we'll just keep on keeping on.